तो आज हमारे साथ क्लाइंट है, इन्होंने हमें रजिस्टर्ड किया है, एंगेज किया है। तो इनकी
ठीक है।
जो भी क्वेरी है उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। और
ठीक है।
इवन अगर आप भी ऑनलाइन हमारी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, किसी भी स्टेट के किसी भी कंट्री में है, तो आपको
ठीक
भी
है।
ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड की जा सकती है। तो
ओके।
सबसे पहले सर मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ इस जूम मीटिंग में। मेरी तरफ से आपको नमन है, नमस्कार है।
नमस्कार जी।
So before starting the conversation, I will tell some term and conditions. We will not disclose your face or your identity on our social media.
ओके।
Okay. And our conversation will be in bilingual.
ओके।
Okay. We will ask some question in Hindi. You can give the answer in English. That is not a problem for us.
ओके। ओके सर।
I understand your situation. Since you are from South, you are a little bit problem about speaking in Hindi easily.
यस सर।
Okay. The before starting this conversation, firstly tell from where you found us.
यूट्यूब सर।
Okay, how many days you are following our videos or our YouTube channel?
एक्चुअली आई एम सीइंग लास्ट 3 days सर।
3 days. Okay, how you have the confidence in 3 days that we will help you in this case, even before putting the money to us for this Zoom meeting, you are not afraid?
नो सर,
Why?
एक्चुअली योर वीडियोस इज वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी आई थिंक दैट उसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Informative,
कॉन्फिडेंस।
confidence. Okay, okay.
यस।
Thanks for giving this wonderful feedback. Firstly, you will tell me about your problem so that I will do my best to solve it.
ओके सर, एक्चुअली माय सिस्टर इज स्टडिंग इन यूके सर.
Okay,
So, first time, my and my wife also applied for a visiting visa.
okay,
That is rejected.
okay,
Next time, I will apply alone.
okay.
But he is giving 10 years ban, sir.
So,
Actually, I am running one medical. I am running for a medical shop, but I
mhm.
have no license
Okay,
in my name.
okay.
But also that one person is give to that uh, edit the
Business paper or
इसको
registration or something.
ओ यस यस
Yes.
एडिट करके वो उन्हें डीवीसी प्रॉब्लम करके दे दिया जी, 10 साल का.
Okay. So, firstly, tell me about the status of your sister in UK.
टायर 4 सर.
Very good. And when she went
इज
there, when she went there in UK.
अक्टूबर 5th सर.
Okay. So, secondly, no, we will discuss about your profile also. Tell me your age.
35 सर.
Whether you are fill up the any income tax return.
हाँ यस सर.
How much yearly?
फोर लास्ट ईयर 5 lakhs सर, 5,20,000.
Your wife is doing something or she is housewife?
शी इज हाउस वाइफ सर.
And how much funds you show when you applied your UK visa? How much funds you shown in your bank account?
अबाउट 8 lakhs सर.
Your agent from where? He is from local there, or you took the service of some agent online or something?
Some online sir, online sir. He is in Hyderabad sir.
Okay, you took all the service online from him.
Okay sir.
No, no, no. I am saying whether you took the service of your consultant while you applying your UK visa, whether you took the service online or you
Okay.
physically visited their office.
No sir. Only online sir.
Online. Okay, okay. It means
Online.
after when you applied your visa, after applying the visa, whether you received any call from the embassy or any email from the embassy.
No sir. No sir.
After applying the visa, they straightforward giving the refusal with the 10-year ban.
Yes sir.
After the ban,
Exactly.
whether you discuss with your agents ki this was happened.
He is hopeless sir.
He is not cooperating with
He
you,
is switching.
but he is saying.
Yes, yes, sir. He is not cooperating me, and he is also our phone also switch off.
Oh, okay. This is very crucial situations. In this video, I am telling to another peoples also, before applying to UK and Canada, please specifically check the
Okay.
complete file before submitting to the embassies, either UK or Canada. They are very specific. They will check each and every document before giving either negative or positive decision. If they will found any single document like a fake or fabricated, they will refuse the visa as well as put the ban. Even that ban will affect in future cases also for many of the countries. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, the solution.
That's why the problem.
The problem, there is no any, since in your refusal letter they specifically mentioned there is no any appeal right. You could not make any type of representations on that refusal, but you have a one right. This is called a pre-action protocol.
Okay.
You can put the application under pre-action protocol, but the things, if you will go for pre-action protocol, the chances for removing the ban just for 10 to 20%.
Okay.
Since you intentionally use the
Okay,
fake document for taking the visa. Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir. This is since you intentionally use the fake documents for getting the visa.
Okay.
They are very nice. UK, Canada, and embassies are very nice. They have the full right to register police case against you also.
Oh.
They have, but due to there is a lot of rush in the embassies, they are ignoring these things.
Okay.
Since we are using,
I don't know, sir, that one.
Listen, since we are using a fake document for taking the visa of countries like a developed country, this is a very big crime also.
Okay.
But no, what we can do, if your agent is ready, he can give the undertaking that this document is used by him. I will provide the wording. If you will take that document from him, then I will go for pre-action protocol to remove this ban. Okay. The first we will put that ground while we are putting your case there. Second, we will make another plea. Another plea like that, the embassy is not giving me an opportunity before putting this 10-year ban. If they will ask me, or even embassy will call me before refusing or putting the ban, then you will telephonically or by written tell the facts to them. But they not ask this question. This is another ground I will put in your appeal. Okay. So third, about innocent. I will tell that I am innocent. I use the service of third party. That is the person who applied my visa. These 3-4 types grounds I will put in your representations. Thereafter, the results just for 20 to 30%. Okay. The chance of 25 to 30%. 20 to 30%. If you are interested, then we will immediately start the process, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Even you will again call to your agents, take the undertaking from him. He used that document instead of by yourself. Okay, sir. So then the chances will more increase. Okay, sir. Anything else? He is not available, sir. Then he is not available. You will try it. If he is not available, then we will put another ground. We will mention his complete address, his name, and even we will tell in the letters he switch off the phone. Everything we will mention if it is not possible. Okay, sir. Okay. So if you have any another question, please ask. No, sir. Actually, I am confidently, sir. My ban through your मेरा बैन निकाल सकते तू. मैं ट्राई करूंगा. आपको नाराज
मेरे
नहीं
को
करूंगा, लेकिन
पूरा
मैं ट्राई करूंगा, लेकिन ये गलती बहुत बड़ी गलती है, छोटी गलती नहीं है।
नहीं
दिस इज नॉट माई हैंड। और फेक चीज मीन्स
ओके
फेक को भी एम्बेसिस के साथ लगाना, इसलिए मैंने 20 to 30% बताया है। मेरा तो दिल करता है, आपने तो फीस देनी है ना, यू विल पे टू द फीस टू मी। एंड मेरा तो ये दिल करता है कि इसका बैन रिमूव होना चाहिए।
ठीक है।
अंडरस्टैंड करने की सिचुएशन करो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन सर। एनी हो। यस।
सर आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन सर, इसके बाद भी वो बैन निकालने नहीं सकते तो क्या होता जी? कुछ भी नहीं होता ना मैं?
If they will not remove the ban, then you could not apply any type of UK visa till 10 years.
ओके।
But you,
अदर कंट्री सर?
another country, you have a number of options that we can share later on, where you can apply.
ओके
Since I need,
ओके सर।
since I need to check the profile of your education, your and your wife, thereafter I will tell you what we can do further.
एक्चुअली सर ओनली फॉर ट्रैवलिंग पर्पस सर।
Okay, no problem. Traveling purpose, I will definitely help you. Not a problem. If you are looking just for a traveling purpose, I will suggest you which country.
ओनली टूरिस्ट सर, आई इंटरेस्टेड फॉर टूरिज्म।
Not a problem. I can tell where you will put the applications even after that ban.
ओके सर।
Okay. Anything else?
नो सर, हाउ टू प्रोवाइड, कैन यू सेंड मी दैट
My person,
लेटर?
my person will send you the checklist. According to that
ओके
checklist, provide that document to my person. Thereafter, within a 4 or 5 days, we can prepare each and everything.
ओके सर।
Okay.
ओके
And
सर।
anything else?
नो सर।
तो ऐसा है कि मैं इस पब्लिक को भी, जो भी हमारी इस वीडियोस को देख रहे हैं, उनको भी मैं अवेयर करना चाहता हूं कि अगर उन्होंने किसी भी कंट्री का वीजा किसी भी एजेंट्स के थ्रू अप्लाई करना है, एटलीस्ट क्रॉस चेक द प्रोफाइल बिफोर सबमिटिंग द एम्बेसीज। इवन इस टाइप की नंबर ऑफ हमारी वीडियोस हैं जहां पर सक्सेसफुली लोगों की हमने ये 10 इयर्स के बैन भी रिमूव किए हैं, एज वेल एज उनके वीजा भी ग्रांट हुए हैं। इवन मेरी एक वीडियो आने वाली है, येस्टरडे आएगी, टुमारो आएगी, उसके अंदर भी बैन लगा था और उस पर्सन को 2 साल का भी वीजा मिला है। उस वीडियो को भी देखना है तो हमारे दोनों चैनलों पर बने रहें। और इवन इससे रिलेटेड हमारी एक डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट है, उस प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक भी मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लगाया है, वहां जाकर मेरी नंबर ऑफ इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, उसके बाद डिसीजन ले सकते हैं। ओके सर, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
ओके, धन्यवाद सर। थैंक यू सर।